Hello, final and student of class 8. Continuing with our discussion about the natural vegetation and wildlife of chapter 8, that is Eurasia. Next is your desert vegetation. Desert vegetation is found in large part of Southwest and Central Asia. Southwest Asia is a hot desert while Central Asia is a cold desert. The region is often bare with patches of grass, shrubs and thorny bushes. And what are the animal found? That is camel and ass are found in the hot desert, while yak is found in the cold desert, especially in your Tibet region. Next is your Mediterranean forest. Mediterranean forests are found in areas bordering the Mediterranean Sea. The important trees which grow here are oak, chestnut, walnut and olive. Citrus fruit trees also grow very well in this region, and most of these forests have been cleared to provide land for agriculture. There is hardly any wildlife here. That is, wildlife is not very found here, not very much common here. You will find. Next is your steppes. Steppes are temperate grassland found in Mongolia and east of the Caspian Sea, especially in Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan. Antelope, mute, and wolf, these important animals are found here. Next is your temperate forest. Temperate forests are found in northeastern part of Asia. They include mixed forest of both deciduous and evergreen forests. The main type of trees are found like oak, magnolia, camellia, and camphor. The mulberry trees thrive best in the region. The forests are mostly confined in hilly areas which cannot be used for cultivation, and the animal which is found here are ape, monkey, fox, pheasant and crane. Next is your taiga forest. Taiga forests are found in broad belt in the central part of Siberia, located toward the south of Tundra region. This is a belt of coniferous forest, and the main trees which grow here are pine, fir, spruce and cedar. And the soft wood of these trees is used as the timber and to make pulp, paper and rayon. And the fur-bearing animals found here like bear, Arctic fox, sable and mink. These are found here. And last is your tundra vegetation. Tundra vegetation is found along the northern coast of Asia, and this area is covered with snow for most of the year. And nothing grows in this region except some kind of moss and lichen. And the main animals which are found in the reindeer, polar bear and polar dog. Seal and walruses are also found in the Arctic portion. So this is all about the natural vegetation and wildlife of Asia. Now let's take this picture. This is here bamboo trees which is found in the monsoon forest that we have discussed earlier. Just see here. This is your picture of sloth, leopard and pheasant which is found. We have discussed this type of animal where it is found. And this is you map Asian natural vegetation here. This is major type of vegetation, that is tundra, taiga, steppe, desert, temperate, Mediterranean, monsoon and equatorial where these are found. This is your map you can find out. So with this chapter concludes what we have discussed in this chapter. We have discussed the climate of Asia, factor affecting, that is your latitudinal extent, distance from the sea, physical feature, wind, ocean currents, all these things we have seen. Major winter season, summer season and distribution of rainfall we have seen. Major climatic type, that is equatorial climate, monsoon climate, tropical desert climate, etc. We have seen it. Their characteristic we have seen it, and natural vegetation, wildlife we have seen is. We have seen it. There is equatorial forest, monsoon forest, desert vegetation, and the wildlife that is present in this type of vegetation we have also discussed. So thank you student. This chapter concludes now. Thank you very much.